Hey everyone, Tag No Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to a USB drive. So let's get started. So I have a USB drive here. This is a USB-A. You might have one that's a USB-C already, but what you need to do is connect it to your Android phone. So the Android phones nowadays take USB-C, which is not compatible. So if you have a USB-A instead of a USB-C already, you need to use an adapter or an OTG adapter like this. You can get it from Amazon, pretty easy. What you do is just connect the USB-A into this converter or adapter, and it'll make it into a USB-C, and after that you just go ahead and plug it in like you would normally if you're charging the phone in that port, and make sure it has a good connection. Now with that connection established, we can transfer our files. So what you need to do is start by going into your phone My Files app. So in the Files app here, we're going to go down and make sure you see your USB drive there listed. So it's already listed there, so we're ready to go. And now we're going to pick our file that we want to transfer. Here I'm going to click on my files here, and I see a couple files here. So I want to select one. So I'm going to click on the three dots, select one from this list. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one as an example. And what I'm going to do is just simply copy. And then from there on, I'm going to go ahead and go to the USB drive and then copy it here. And now it's basically copying or making a transfer of that file of it, and you can go ahead and delete it from here after you're done transferring it over. And we can verify that here on the USB drive storage, I'll see the new file that I just moved over here. So you'll see it, this one was moved over recently. So that's how you do it. Again, I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.